Hello boys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all in science class. Today we will discuss making shapes with forces. Rayan and Nadir, how are you?
دخلت.
Nadir, what are you doing?
السلام عليكم، أنا ريان.
Walaikum salam, Rayan.
Hello, teacher. I am Ahmed.
Hello Ahmed, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Kareem. Nadir.
Hello, teacher. My name is Hamid.
Hello Hamid.
How are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
I am fine. السلام عليكم أستاذ، أنا كريم.
Hello Kareem. Hussein is there.
Teacher,
Yes.
what is your page?
What is my page?
Yes.
Or books page? Book page is 78. 78. 7.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome.
Thank you, teacher.
Rami is there. Munabba Azhari.
أنا رامي حبيبي. عليكم أستاذ، أنا منبه سعيد.
Hello Munabba. Ziyad is there.
Hello, Zia.
Hello Mr. Hussein. Say Mr. Zia, not Zia.
أستاذ اليوم مراجعة.
La, page 78. Open page 78.
78.
Yes, 78.
أستاذ أنا راشد.
Hello Rashid. Open your books, page 78. As you know, we are discussing about forces, pushes and pulls, friction. So today we will discuss how to make shapes with forces. Making shapes with forces. This is the topic on 78. Describe how forces can change the shape of object. If you put some forces, you can change the shape of any object, but how? The big idea is forces can change the shape of an object. If you put some force, you can change the shape of an object. So here in these pictures, you can see and have an idea about the topic.
أستاذ معاوية.
Hello, Muawiyah. Yazan is there.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam, Mayyad. Okay, so crumble a piece of paper into the smallest ball that you can. What force you have used to do this? Like take a paper and change its shape. Do it crumble, yani. Let me just listen to you. Take a paper and just make it like this. Make it crumble like a ball. Okay, as much as you can push
Hello,
it.
teacher. I am Ayam.
Okay, Ayham, let me write your name. And who else is there? Nawaf Sufyani. Okay, then we change the shape of a paper by using force. Forces change the shape of object. This can be very useful. Look at what the people are doing in the photos. They are using push and pull to make objects we can use and eat. This boy is pushing, this is pulling and pushing both, and this man is also pulling the hammer and push. By push, it is hammering the iron to change the shape. So these three are using push and pull to make the different shapes so that we can use them. What are the people using to change the shape of the material? What are they using? Okay, who will tell me?
Push and pull to make objects we can use and eat.
Excellent, ya Habibi. Very good. Push and pull force. They are using push and pull force. Okay. Push and pull forces. Note it down in your notebook or in your book. Because they are using a hammer and their hands to push and pull to change the shapes of objects. Okay, understand, right? If somebody just joined, let me explain that we are talking about forces,
Mister, I'm done.
push, okay, Ahmed, pushes and pulls, basically. Describe how forces can change the shapes of objects. The big idea on this page is forces can change the shape of an object. So how can you change?
Teacher, I don't finish.
Okay, Turkey, no problem. Rami, take your time.
Teacher, I am finished.
Okay, forces change the
Teacher, I am not finished.
shape of objects. This can be very useful. Look at the photos what people are doing. They are doing push and pull forces to change the shapes of objects. Okay, write it quickly. There is only one question on this page. Then we will move forward, inshallah. Finish it quickly.
I'm finished. Teacher, finish.
Teacher.
Teacher,
Yes,
they are push and pull with the clay because
yes.
this is clay.
The same are in three. He is pulling the hammer and pushing it by force. He is pulling it and pushing it, right? So the three are using the
Teacher, I am Rami. I am finished.
very good, Rami. Okay. So
Teacher,
we will move.
I am finished.
Okay, now we will move towards next page, which is page 79. لو ما في خلاص أنا أرسل لك فيديو بعدين you can see it, okay? Don't open your mics, just wait. Now next question on page 79 صفحة 79.
السلام عليكم أستاذ أنا سند.
Hello Sanad. Okay, on page 79 there is a question which is about this picture. Can you work out how these fruit starts were made? Describe the push and pull forces that were used. Okay, in this, to make this pastry, you will write here the pastry was rolled flat using push and pull, then pushed into molds. Molds yani shakal. Then pushed, the pastry was rolled flat using push and pull, then pushed into molds. You can write here push and pull forces. That is better.
Teacher, I am finished.
Finished? Okay, that's good.
Don't finish, Ryan.
Take your time. Don't say
Teacher, I am
finished, not
finished.
Don't.
I am finished.
Okay, no problem. If you finished, okay, be quiet. The question is how these tarts are made. So answer is the pastry was rolled flat using push and pull forces, then pushed into molds. Pushed into molds. These are molds you can see here. Hada, like this they are mold. They have one iron shaped molds. They make shapes for the pastry outlines. Okay, the pastry was rolled flat using push and pull forces, then pushed into mold.
Teacher,
As
now
you know,
finish.
pushed means duf, yani duf, and pull means yes, right?
Teacher, now. Teacher, I am finished.
Okay.
Teacher, I finished. I am finished. Finish. I don't finish.
Okay, okay, take your time.
Teacher, I am finished.
Finished?
Teacher, I
Okay.
finished.
Thank you, Hussein. Thank you, Muawiyah.
Teacher, I am finished.
Thank you, boys.
Teacher, I
Thank you,
am
Riyad.
finished. You're welcome, teacher.
Okay.
Teacher, I don't finish.
Okay, okay, take your time.
Mister, I'm done.
Teacher, finish. Ryan.
Okay, okay. I am waiting for others who didn't finish. So be quiet and wait for your brothers. Other brother. So now who have finished, you will open page number 83. Open page 83.
finish. أنا بنبدأ.
افتح صفحة 83. 83.
Teacher.
Yes.
Page what?
83. Okay, now we are going to open page 83. Here you are. It's page 83. Now open page 83. There are 4 questions. Number 1 here, the objects go faster on a smooth or a rough surface? What do you think? On smooth surface or a rough? The objects go faster on a smooth surface or a rough surface?
Teacher,
Yes.
it's a rubber ball. It goes fast on a rough surface and is smooth.
No, we are talking about objects.
Oh, object.
Yeah, any
Sorry,
object.
teacher.
Do the objects go faster on a smooth surface or a rough surface? What do you think?
Uh, I think
On
object onions.
on smooth surface.
Just that.
Yeah,
easy.
because if you put them on smooth surface,
Oh yeah, I know.
yes.
I thought it was like who goes faster on which surface, the smooth surface.
No, we are talking about objects. I told you
Oh, okay.
the objects go
Let me
faster.
write it down.
Yani huwa roh sur'a al smooth surface. Smooth surface means the surface which is flat and clear, and rough surface like this. Look, you can feel lines on it like this.
Mister, I'm done.
This is rough surface.
Teacher, I am finished.
Okay.
Done.
Like some walls are mostly rough like this.
Teacher, I am
It's a-
finished. Teacher, finished.
Okay,
am.
listen. ما في خلاص باقي. Okay, so flat surface is like this. If you throw something, it will go smoothly and fastly. But if you throw here, it will go bit
Finish, teacher.
slower. Okay. So this on this smooth surface, the objects go
Teacher,
fast.
I am done.
Ziad, I told you be quiet. There are 3 questions left. How have you finished? We have 3 questions. Wait. I am just explaining to you that smooth surface is like this and rough surface like this. On smooth surfaces, if you throw something or any object can go fastly. Go faster and here slower. Okay.
السلام عليكم أستاذ، اسمي فيصل خالد.
عليكم السلام فيصل، تأخير يا حبيبي. فهد حامد انت موجود؟ فهد سعود. Okay, next
أستاذ
question.
أنا
Why
حامد.
done? Don't open your mics. What happens to a toy car if you do not push it? If you do not push, it will not move. Hussein, what are you doing?
I'm making music.
Hussein, don't open your mic now. What happens to a toy car if you don't push it? Now in the mafi push, هو ما في حرك. It stays still. يعني هو ما في حرك. The toy car stays still. What happens to the toy car when you push it very hard? يعني مرة بالقوة. It will move faster. Yes, good. It will move faster. Very good. Okay, next. What happens when the car goes across a rough surface? When the car is moving and the rough patch comes, the car becomes slower. So it slows down quickly. It slows down quickly. Okay.
Teacher, I am finished.
فهمت برضو ما في بس اكتب.
Teacher, I am
فهم
finished.
برضو. You must understand also. ما في بس اكتب. Not just write. You should understand also. Question number 1 was about surfaces, smooth or rough surface, 2 types. So objects go faster on smooth surfaces where there is no
Mister, I'm
hurdle.
done.
Okay, when there is no hurdle. But if there is rough surface, it's like this. If car goes there, it slows down. If you don't push anything or any toy car, it will not move. It stays still. What happens to the toy car if you push it very hard? It will move faster. يعني انت دف بالقوة هو حرك سرعة. It will move faster. What happens when the car goes across a rough surface? If the car is going and there is rough surface, it slows down quickly. It slows down quickly.
Now finish.
Okay, take your time.
I am finished. أستاذ خلصت أنا منبه. دنيا يا أستاذ.
Mr. Finish.
Okay, Mr. Finished, huh? You mean I am finished? اوكي فهد سعود هذا ما في موجود. عبد العزيز فهد غايبين.
Teacher, I
نواف
am finished.
محمد نواف محمد غايب.
I finished.
اوكي then
Teacher, I am
سعود-
finished.
سعود علي موجود برضو غايب. ها اوكي finished ولا باقي من
Finished.
اسمع اي احد باقي
Yes.
افتح مايك. اي احد باقي بس هو افتح مايك. if you didn't finish open your mic. لو خلصت اوكي انتظار.
Teacher, I am finished.
I said
Teacher,
هو ما في خلصت.
teacher,
Yes. Okay, it's mean everybody has done. So now
Teacher?
we will delete it. Yes, Hussein, I'm listening.
Today, thank God I came early. Hospital, I'm okay.
Okay.
It's very hard. You know, I have like yesterday. I
Mhm.
got a problem with my throat, and
Oh,
I got sick through my nose. It's all fine. I'm good.
Alhamdulillah,
I
if you're
just
fine.
It's what?
Okay.
drink my.
It's not
I
page,
don't
it's a
know, medicine.
worksheet. هذا ورك عمل بس سوي مراجعة بس. Okay. يعني إيش pull إيش push. Okay. You will make a circle for push. Circle for push و tick for pull. Okay. يعني سوي check for pull and circle for push. أنا أرسل هذا في Google Drive. Okay. Then now we will first check push. هذا صورة push ولا pull؟
Push.
push يعني دف.
No.
غريبة.
Pull.
pull يا أخي. أيوة this is pull.
من تجر الحاجة
leave
عليه
it.
بول
leave it. ها؟
لسه بوش.
leave it. Okay. Now this.
Okay.
This if you close your zip. Your
Push.
Push.
pull. مين كلام pull؟
Push. أنا حامد.
أيوة حامد كويس. This is
برضو.
pull. هو يجي فوق ولا تحت. It will come down. It will come towards you. Anything like this is you, huh? Sorry, just 1 second. Let me repeat for you again. Like this is you, huh? This box. Now, if something, when you push, it goes away. When you pull, it
Push
comes
لفوق.
towards you. يعني YG قريب معك.
بل تحت
If you
بل
push it will go away. Okay. Now
push. اكتب push لفوق.
pull. Okay. This one, this lady is helping this lady. So
Pull.
very good. What about this? This button.
push
Push.
Push. This button is push. Yes, this picture is showing push. Okay. What about this machine?
Push.
push
Push.
Push.
Push. Push.
This babysitter. Yes.
push يعني بيكونوا ما مسكرين.
Push.
بول مسكر على الأخير.
Come on. Push. Very good. This is also a push.
Push
If you pull this bag,
ما pull يعني pull.
this is pull. Okay. What about this picture?
Push. Push.
Push. Yes, this is push. Okay. What about this?
Pull.
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 Very good. What about this?
Pull. Push. Push. Push.
How is it?
Push.
كيف هذا push يا أخي?
Pull. Teacher, pull.
Look, دقيقة, I will tell you. Just 1 second. This is a bird. Okay. Here you can see this is bird, right? Suppose this is a bird and it is eating. This is worm. Okay. Worm. هو هنا تحت موجود تحت الأرض. هو شيل هذا. It is pull or push? هو شيل يعني pull. أيوة. pull. ما في push. push يعني
أنا أول واحد قلت.
أيوة. What about this box? The boy is picking it up.
Push. 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 Push.
يا أخي هو شيل.
Pull. Teacher.
Okay. What about this swing?
Pull.
This garlic? Boys, just say one time. Not push, 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 pull, pull, pull. Not like this. Only one time. It's enough. So now we have pull. This picture is showing pull. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one is showing pull. Okay. Others are push. خلاص فهمت؟ في أي سؤال؟ You have any question؟ لو ما فهمت.
No.
Okay, I will repeat once again for you. Push
No.
means when you push something, it will go away from you. يعني هو روح بعيد. Like you play football, you push the football with your feet. Okay? Push يعني هو روح بعيد. And when you pull or you pick up, like you pick up your glass, your mobile, your laptop, your pencil, your book, if you pick it up, yani sheel, that is pull. هو يجي قريب. If you pull something, it will come to you, come towards you. Understand? It moves towards you, it's mean you are pulling. If it is going away from you, it's mean you are pushing the object. Understand? Any questions?
No. No.
Okay.
No. طلع تحت صح؟
أيوة. Goodbye, boys.
Teacher.
Goodbye. Thank you.
Goodbye. Goodbye, Ustad.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Ustad.
Thanks for joining. Goodbye.